Welcome out to another day here at lovely Spirit Peaks. Now today's a very special day because I have brought my dad and my little brother out here to the drift track. I've never done that before. They've never even been inside the cotton candy machine, let alone any drift car whatsoever. So I have no idea how he's gonna react to us ripping it out on track. I mean, you can only get so mad at your son for freaking shredding it out there when that's literally like what you're supposed to do when you're on track. I think it'll be fun. Who knows how it's gonna go. There's a lot of people out here today. What's up, my man?
You ready?
I'm more than ready.
All right, let's get it then.
For show. We're already putting him to work. He's ready getting the wheel on. Everyone is making their way out to track right now. I just fixed up the rear bumper. Gotta get the front bumper on. Gotta go past tech. And then we will be out there shredding in no time. You guys already know we are rocking the cotton candy machine hoodie with the cotton candy machine right here, which you guys can go buy right now at the UltraMotive Shop while they're still available. All right, you ready? Go for a first run?
Yeah.
You go first. Got helmet courtesy of Austin. Got my UltraMotive helmet stacked up here. We got a new GoPro mounted on top. Hopefully this works out. I'm still testing it. This is the first time using it, but you guys will get a more POV kind of angle style of me driving. Yeah, usually the line's nowhere near this long. That's on this. Oh, he's wearing one of the merch items.
What's up, Jack?
What's up, man? I like the hoodie.
Man, I love your car, man.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
It's got to be a little bit nerve-wracking when you've done this the first two times with other cars skidding right around.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Well, just a little. I have no idea.
You're just gonna feel the initial kick, and it's gonna be wild from there. Here we go.
Moses.
Oh man. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I got that in the head. First time out, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, you seem like you've done this a while, huh?
So we could check. So it burned some rubber, but we still got like a lot more for the rest of the day. Oh, we got something smoking a little bit. We got a little bit of, it looks like coolant in the radiator area, steaming up a little bit. It should be fine. I just let it cool down, and I should have coolant on me so I could refill this. Ethan's up next on the ride along. Everything from getting picked up in school in the Skylines to now getting his first drift experience in the cotton candy machine. He's never been in anything like this as far as driving style, so see his first drift experience, see how he likes it. Might be a little big, but it'll do. Are you scared? A little bit? Something happened on track. Hopefully they get the cars out. Maybe we won't be going after all. Your heart just, you get a big sigh of relief.
So anticlimactic.
Right when we're literally the first ones. What are the odds of this? This is just building anticipation like nothing. Alright, let's begin liftoff.
You take me to paradise.
Of it, it's kind of relaxing. It's like you're just like floating around side to side. Dang, we got another baller out here. Freaking another Raptor tow rig. Those detailed viewers probably noticed that we swapped back to the Rokus, mainly because I just like the look of them more. Just because from afar and when they're moving, they're the same finish as the VSXXs in the rear, the gunmetal with the polished lip. And I just like at least having that matching. It looks a lot more balanced out versus the other wheels that we had, the K&Ps, I believe, were just a lot brighter in the front. So it made the rear wheels look so dark, like as if they were caked in dirt. The whole reason why I weren't even able to run these before is that we were hitting the brake line. So the other wheels were a lot thinner, but Austin used his genius tactics to completely hide them and tuck them completely away from the wheel. I think we're gonna go back to this look for now. You guys can let me know in the comments what you prefer. Got my man Mark out here. He's a baller. He's drifting on TEs, although the rears,
Not TEs.
this is very informative for people who wonder if there's even a difference, because you got not TEs and then you have TEs.
Blank.
Oh,
And if you look over there, not blank.
yeah. So I guess the main thing is just the made in Japan, Ray's engineering. It's stamped. It's actually really hard to see. You guys can see that right there. And then there's just no stamping right there. And I feel like the spokes are just a little bit
the shape
thinner.
is different.
Yeah, they're just a little bit thinner. Those are a little bit girthier. It's actually hard to tell the difference because I feel like these are so much cleaner in the front. Also, that probably won't happen on TEs.
Probably not.
Yeah, it still can, but less likely. A lot more difficult to try and get this guy. We'll try and go out together. We'll have the two triple style livery cars side to side. No matter how cool you are, there'll always be cars that will outdo you. Look at that, matching team too. So I was working in the garage the other day and I had like a little ratcheting wrench that I quickly lost. My immediate assumption was like, okay, who took my tool and didn't put it back? But I found it, and it's just been hanging out right here since the last time I worked on this car. It's a little bit warm, but it's literally like just stayed here. It must press against the hood, which actually that explains why my hood fitment on this side hasn't been perfect, because it's literally been blocking it from going all the way down. Here at UltraMotive, not everything is professional grade. You'll also have little details like that that'll be on my car. So we're not Formula Drift Pro team just yet. It looks better in person. Yeah, it's funny. It's like it does, but then it's like the closer you get, the worse it looks, you know, because drift car.
Yeah, but it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it is. It's funny. It's like a flip-flop. It looks better in photos because you don't see the blemishes, but then it looks better in person because you get to see like just how much it pops.
Yeah, but it
all
gives
the
a character.
It does.
Personality.
Yeah, exactly. And it's nice to have an excuse to have little dents and stuff here and there. You don't have to really worry about it and freaking have trouble sleeping at night, you know? I gotta give a shout out to my boys at Nexen Tire. These SU1s have been lasting all day. Literally, when I think that these are done for, they're still not showing any cord whatsoever. So these things are pretty dang good, and you already know they are the plug for Team UltraMotive out here, Team Style Points. We have a rule around here that if you're wearing UltraMotive merch, you're gonna get a ride along. So we're gonna give Braden, right? Yep. Braden here a ride along. Send me that video. I don't think I've had a car ever that close to this one. Dang, I wish I had the GoPro facing the other way. Dude, every time I would look, I would just get a mini heart attack.
Oh God.
Like, I would just freak myself out. I still got my back bumper.
Yeah.
Damn, he's crazy. So far, knock on wood, we're having good luck today, but my friends keep breaking down. We got Jason way over there. He had to get tractor towed, his front end. I don't even know what happened to his IS, but it's not good. And then we got Mark over here coming back in on the tow as well. Oh no. What went down?
Ball joint fell out.
Oh no. Oh, the mirror too. Current status. Day has been going really well. We've been giving lots of ride-alongs and we've just been getting a lot of seat time, getting comfortable with the car, which is really good. Can't get more tandem progression in because, yeah, my friends' cars are literally like broken. Mark in the 34-32 Skyline over there has a blown fuse, so he has to go way out to the shop to go try and find another one. Jason with the LSIS completely broke a ball joint and his wheel came off. I guess you could say he's kind of done for the day as well. But I guess we could just continue on and enjoy some shredding with Mi Familia.
I'm so tired. One sec. Honestly, I think if I knew that it was going to end up like this, I probably wouldn't have come. Nobody told me that this event was like this. Literally, I have no idea where I am. I need to stay on the phone. Hello? I got Headrush.
solid day. You all loaded up?
Ready to go?
Ready to go out of here?
Yeah, that's a good day though.
At least you're driving home. Like, there's a chance this car wasn't driving. There's a chance this car wasn't driving home.
There's always something with this car, but it's like something really stupid.
Dude, that's like Nissans as a whole.
It's like not the engine. It's just, I had a fuse blow out today that I couldn't find. Hopefully someone has shots of us tandeming.
I know, right? I got some GoPro footage on the aerial, but it's gonna look like I'm so far because I went home after tandeming the first time.
Because of the wide angle?
And it's just, yeah, the wide angle, and just like when you're inside, it just feels like you got so much proximity, and then
You
it's,
see it from the outside, you're like, oh wait.
yeah, you're like, wow, there's a cruise ship in the way in between us. So, yeah, that's how it goes. So some of the viewers will know that it is UltraMotive tradition to end off the drift day, or any day, with the Red Robin, which is somewhere back there. But yeah, no, incredible solid day. We seem to be in a season right now where the car is wanting to do really well and freaking not let me down. So shout out to the cotton candy machine right here. Shout out to the cotton candy merch. And this is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing it off.
You made it.